again. Maintain your move and come. Almost there, why me feel one cause in life. It's all about the journey. The journey. The journey. The journey. The journey.
I share me body. E kame hude nyina. Mochoro botan kesi. Menkwa nyina. Mo somwe rade. Nyima kun. Okun mi jema wo. Enkwa jibi. Owo umo. Ayaresa bibo umo. Enyemanyambi owo umo.
Emmanuel ampa enyum ena dese benisa wose ene die abena amayakoma atoyeyem ane ogusua ehwe the journey ewo Adum TV so na ene strong kokra because ene exactly 1 year you started the journey. It's yenya bishop wo hay before you ever started jumadie no wo be shire jumadie na wa sign de ahye Mensah so wo kura yemu enye easy ne wo season 5 yenya 1 year on Adum TV na sese nyame ayade aproso bishop bless us
Pamocho yinsi trase mompae enyankopon yada wasese waboye ho ban wahwe enso yada wasese dwumadie fefefe yi oboa yen ayetumi hyase afe baako ni nyankopon yesrese wode wo nhira beta adwumayi echi na wabo adwumayi ho ban na wase adibia ebese sa program yi ma ne ntintim na nyina ho yie na nye nhira emma edom amanfo nyina Ghana fo omomuni Ghana omumfi Ghana nyina ewa amano ne nyina eye nhira kese ye bompa so be managina na ebedi mfie 20 years 30 years 50 years na ye hwe ye chi a ya hwe odin ne onyam ya dawase ewa odoba Yesu Kristo din amen.
Amen. Ministers worker amen will feel because the journey the F. It will be person na what be obetna wo TV echi na ya twetwe nkomo e wo Adum TV so. Ansa na me digimade ebebro. Ma me na aboafo ase na omuni ho the journey eni ho. Ya that time here ba mixture for us so maso yasin na ya digimade ebro. Give us clean care. Lip tomato paste and a Spanish garlic for Nina eka ho be na yetimi digimade ebro baby bia owo. And then me guest ye ne baba twetwe nkomo ye Bishop Oko Mensah. Right?
Yes.
Me da say ye frewa obaye. Papa ene ye bedi nkomo. Oto enwom pa. How did you discover say utimi eto nwom?
Madam was say mo frame ye wo program yi so inshira kese meka say ye wo me in the 70s.
Okay.
Ti menyi kakra. Me ma me ne me papa nyina ye choristers. Me papa ye mechanical engineer or ye retired with 77. Me ma me ye educationist and also ye retired with 70. Na omienu nyina eto nwom e wo kwa mo. Enti efifie me omo nyina mo presby. Me papa to bass or sansobo keyboard. Me ma me to soprano ne alto. And ochre parts nyina enti yen collaborate mu nyina me yata enti okọ yen krandin a ote a chese nipa na yata enti okọ ni akwele enti na ye wotawia wo yen chi enti Mensah ye Mensah nyina ato nwom me ma me ne papa to nwom enti me kai say ye wo recording bi kra wo fia na ye di be 3 or 4 ye ne parents to nwom a ye record enti e sha ase ache enti omugu so to nwom 77 and 70 nyina
still
they are still in the choir omuto nwom by the grace of God nyame adom enti enwom to ne de me say fifie.
Okay. Enti through enwom to na o discover say e wo say wo ye nyame adwuma.
Meka say no so
calling
and no so can it's a very important part of my life. Anytime I my nyame adwuma no music, enyom tour, instruments, enyom chere, directing a choir, na choir master in Jumano. It's always been part of me. Mean to me, ye infinia may be a
together
every time na together.
And a managina.
Enti ejuma edikan anameka say asade edikan ya ye de maame wo nyame fie. Na senkubo. Aha, after that, it also na choir master Juma say see ade we choir director.
I am yes.
Me say a Presbyterian Methodist na omo enta mu bi wo ho ayen so yes but
tell ya momo ye mo de ne say
and different skills
na kosa na bafom chedi
enti eno nso ka enti enwuma amaye wo nyame fie no hyase fie enwom to no enti enya ade a metumi yi fim enti time amaye pastor still choir and music groups na wo asafo no mo no me ana mehwe so direct enti me pastor sorry ni nyina na me ye no so direct.
Okay, how was your journey growing up to be where you are now? Control no it's say
my journey growing up interesting. Nyame adom me papa or a retired mechanical engineer. No, Yejuma Ghana Water Company and what used to be called Water and Sewage Corporation. My papa, a friend of Mr. R.T. Mensah, R.T. Robert Terry Mensah. Incidentally, my papa so Odi and Tafuechi. And I was I want her.
Santana with you. Me pacho want her.
There be me say me call 1 or 2 can one. But 2. Me who send ya there na ko na me who say me call 1 or 2 can one. Maria buy one get one free baby. Into me papa no ejuma no ye wo Ghana Water Company, Water and Sewage for no. No more transfer na pa. Into ye wo me wo Cape Coast 1976. Okay. 1980 year transfer me papa ba Bogatanga. Okay. Yet now was between 87 and 88. Me papa call normal friend relieving duties or Tamale 1 year or call Tamale. Okay. No samba back to Boga into 87 to 88. Then
Nanamo north.
Yeah, north on. Okay. And then 1989 year transfer if Boga call wa.
89.
Into 89 to 91 near wa.
Na owa eti na na fini ye wo ebinom ebinom sa eti na sa
enti mechi ya fa enti matena burger atena wa atena tamale atena sunyae atena ho sunyae
mfribrekum
wow metena sunyae 1996 to be say 2000 na me papa yedwuma ho no enti na meti sunyae enti ho and na me fisunya na me call tech KNUST yes me call tech 1997 to 2001 and me call tech misunya civil engineering me papa esunya mechanical
but engineer na
na
wo fie
na wo fie enti no na misunya civil engineering at tech 97 to 2001 enti me wie no and na me national service or AMA e wa Accra roads department. No more office now Premprom honum baby but sisi ade em say you break it down our office into after that na me right into full-time ministry our lighthouse 2000 so that will be 2002 after national service 2002 till 2019
okay
and na me bompai one maybe when nyame e ka kire me say me go back to me pastor na or me pastor before me lighthouse nti me resign na me call ne ho nti me head pastor no ministry no headquarters no sunyan nti ono na me the best man 1997 nti na enkofo bi ni me say me ne ye close sa nti me resign na me call back nti sisia me pastor of Elim City Accra North Canadian but part of Elim City International and yet adia ejina ho on its own say and unko ejina ho na ma start as for dada ye kasa we Christonia e say etumi hu say suban na asesa ne me bi wo ho a wonye entro bi wo ho a untwa bibi wo
more than one
enti me say I'm more comfortable being called a Christian than you being man called of God and enti because these days it stands for so many things. I think I'm a Christian. Yeah, the entertainment so.
ya wo atom na wanyini bom na wo ye adwuma no
me ma me ne me papa bo mo ho modern e wo praise be mo etete me ye.
Is your wife proud of you?
I believe so.
For standing with her.
Oh yes, I believe so.
Okay. How many years now? My
worry 16 years.
Wow.
Yes, 3rd December 2005.
Wow.
3rd December 2005 until December 8 16 years by the grace of God.
Wow.
Until this December, God willing, will be 17 years.
Okay. Nyame adom na ye bedi 17th anniversary day. Na yen twa ye ho enkwaje nkwato ye ba estibu te chani enko bebia. Ya kwaje nkwato aba ogusua ehwede Jenny ewa Adom TV so. Ena me guest eye Bishop Oko Mensah ene ne ne twetwe nkomo ewa Adom TV so. Nti enko bebia gibre na de Jenny so ayede. Papa, you being engineer and being a pastor, who combine these two how is it like? Because two ni na mu ye do, and ni na so here bre. We are den akeka bom. Na wasan de abusunya kakra so aba betato. Na za are you full thing? We are den.
Me say nyame de be sha ase me say me ye Kristo ni. Nti we ye Kristo ni a ye woni me bi wo ho a ehu hia Nyankopon yi. Okay. Send ya obehwe obusunya no. Ehu hia pa. We ye kunu. Wo san so ye papa. Obi papa. Wo ma. Ne nyina ehu hia Nyankopon yi. Okay. Na eba nyame adwuma na ye wo omo a ye from full-time ministers. Okay. Ministry near the main thing. Every other thing is side thing. And you were almost from lay ministers. Okay. Until obi a owo na adwuma o ye, but osanso ye nyame adwuma. Mienu ni nyina ye correct. Ba ko bi eni ho a ye betimi aka se we ye more important anya Nyankopon hwe we a we o ye full-time minister no. Ne ho hia Nyankopon sen we. Because ye hwe nyame asem a ye tumi ho Paul. Nya Bible ka chere say Paul na o ye tent or tent ministry. Okay. E de nya sika o make it tent eton. Paul ochro half of the New Testament. Okay. Apam for no ochro half. It is a nipa sa na etumi ye adwuma enye hu sika ehwe ne ho. Na mentumi hu ne enti a
also yourself into
nya adwuma.
Asori ma na ehwe.
Asori ma na ehwe. You see, but on the other hand, se nyame adwuma na odi ahye wonsa no. Eye kese to a certain point a ebehia emre ene ahoden bia. Ebia na saa time no wankasa we hu se we no untumi mfa ne mebe nka
ho. Se wo jai bibia na wo fa ba
because ade na be kese. Na se wo church na asafo no ye nkrofo 30 ana nkrofo 20. Wahu na wo se wo de wonye bibia ene na ema eya na asofo no sikasem na bed because the last nyina go offering no so
there's no other revenue.
Gas asan wo fie. Prepaid asan wo fie nti oje offering na hondem bia ode beje offering no because gas no asan wo fie na area man hint say we asa nti oba not the prophetic bia fam ene ye den date you say 3rd March or say take a prophetic 3 offering 30 cities 300 cities wo ni nyina ye gimmicks a wa hwe nti esese utumi hu se ministry no the size of the ministry adwuma na Nyankopon de ahye won sa etumi hwe wa na etumi hwe okay se nya ade eso a aye so much a ebetumi ahwe ana wankasa adwuma e wo sa adwuma no mu no edoso a ebehia mre bebia pe bibi foforo ka ho na ye wa hu enti me engineering no at a time me call full-time ministry or lighthouse no me go into full-time ministry as an employee. Okay. Well, enti enye ade a me amako into full-time ministry a me de hwe me am ministry. Enti lighthouse na your organization kese e wo many employees asa.
Yes.
Enti na edwuma no so ye. Enti me ye niam bebre, me ye from media work to website na me handle no websites Mensah. Enti edwuma na so different things me ko kira de wo Bible school. Me ye niam bebre. Enti because edwuma no so. Enti at that point no na full-time ministry na enye bibia ase me nkwa me de hwe masafo kitikiti bi na me ye employee na me enya ade na me de civil engineering na ye adwuma directly. Okay. Na ye nyina ni say first degree de sisi ade ayese BC ya ade a wo start a wo betimi abo afa another direction. Nti me ankasa no say me nra full-time ministry engineering na anka ment na ho anka me beje mo kra abo afa baby foforo. Okay.
Na we na buy
nti for me no ministry no has not just been ebiana empire any preaching and me niema be technical niema be event organization for church niema be engineering no was my training into practice.
It was something that you used to get to different things.
Yes, to get to different things. Into there engineering education mom there say you go to school to learn how to learn. Until you go to school to learn how to learn. Until you don't restrict yourself. Say when you check my school, and no one meet me aye. Okay. Into calculations in your manema project work nema. Then you na training. E betumi aboa e de aye bibi foforo. Okay. Until now usually occupy you maybe a catch or say all they need is a first degree. Okay. Because him say to go through the discipline of a first degree. After that, betumi retrain you in anything. Okay.
Betumi retrain you in anything. You try your home and kwaja aboa from Krato. Your bar is still the journey. Yakoji Enkrato aba Oguswa heard the journey ewo Adum TV. My guest Bishop Oko Mensah and ye teaching komo ewo jumadi so. Papa, you said almost this year, 3rd December, when you're 17 years.
Yes, please.
Since our real you're off an Ichida.
Oh, many aba.
I just want to know, Mensah, off an
Ichida. Let me answer this way. Let me answer this way. Yesuka said, if you look at a woman lustfully, you've committed adultery with her. Wow. I'll just end with that.
You just end with that.
Yes.
And that answers our questions. So share na kra no boy dwamai. Daddy, much obey baako amame. Yewo achede agro we ne de wo de yi mame. Hey. We are not just say wo de amame. Mpacho mame, mpacho we de famame. Oh, emu ye de agro ne de emu pick and art ne de do her. Okay. The journey for CMBC said, what's the one thing people don't know about you? What's one thing people don't know about you? That thing that will be a name.
Hey, and no bad than kakra because
what's one thing? I dear Ben Pana, a yo say, Nidia, Ubi a name. I dear with Ubi a name say, I want me home. And I'm here and I'm to say, what's one thing that people don't know about you? What is it?
I think say I've put myself out in a strong way. Say it's difficult to mean to me who are deporting American say a family who are amanfo enim. Okay. Omonim meyere. Omonim senior Michiano. Okay. Sorry them Michiano 2004.
So they know everything.
Yeah,
so there's no secret that we don't know.
I don't think so. I don't think so. Say yeah, well, I mean, secret be here. If there's any secret that people don't know, that I can say is a secret, it may be something that may affect somebody else.
So you wouldn't want to share?
Yes, because if it's something that is exclusively about me,
then
I think said things about me they are out.
They are out.
If I say something about someone else, and it's like what they work with na baby na akasa by heart.
By heart, yes. Answer now, Bekono. The youth out there, a lot of people follow you. They want to be like you. When you say "Mkofobu wa mo hwɛ nneɛma wo yɛ," advice being in ade be ma wo na. Ye fa jumadi number
ye. Me say maybe say I can say youth na be brave me no. I would say very likely say a lot of Christian youth. Okay. Because that's my field and that's my area. I think say ade ba kwa me can say school ko
education and
work are very important. Emma obia nada wo se nyankopon wo hoyi empaibo just wo bompaya na wanye juma
mana beba
adom is it 1 Corinthians 15 verse 10. Paul can say, by the grace of God I am what I am, and the grace which was bestowed upon me was not in vain, but I labored, I worked more abundantly. Or say nyame adom inti na me yese nyame se metie e no se sa adom na nya kwa. Okay. Na adom no ma me ye dwuma yie
and dey na mo ye fi
inti se adom bi wo ho a adom no it shows in ejuma a obeye inti emebu no dey. I'll just tell you say school any ejuma, don't joke with it. We are spiritual said then, or father was spiritual father, your prophet or your then said then, your power said then. take school and take work
very
seriously.
Yeah.
Don't just get up and say, so ministry, Juma, sorry, walk up and down, meetings, meetings, rehearsal, prayer meeting all night, but you wait Juma so ye, and neck a crime.
And no one a kakra or beka. See, you know, you be fat a juma any education. Adisua any ejuma very serious na abrabone etimi akoso amayen. It's been amazing having him on the show. Minister Mensah they also our fee when he aji said no where the Jenny ewo Adum TV na make catch us. Yeda mo see ene exactly 1 year you started jumadi. Yeda mo see some awesome na you guswa edi the Jenny April ewo Adum TV so. Yeda boa for maso ya say time here by Mr. Give us clean care lip tomato paste and a Spanish garlic for some maso ya sing. Yet me this season 5 April baby bia what your share matter the ages dazzle obetimi from 0545141123 atari and pabwa bags bibia wo hia bia ages betimi e de ama na wo so wetimi de afa wo ho ama wo ho aye fefefe asemba ko na de bia me katro mesi nyame wo ma ebeye meeting e de Abena Ghana brunga half for this year macrow
Take this life, make you know the rush, make you know the fear, cause when you fall, you rise again. Mentally, you're moving, almost there, I'm in feet, one